respected manager, Reverend Father Arun Thomas, Father Kuriakos, the director, my dear teachers, parents and students. Today we commemorate Gandhi Jayanti. Therefore, Gandhi Jayanti wishes to all of you.
Wish you happy Gandhi Jayanti. Today, 2nd October, Gandhi's birthday. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi was known as Father of Nation. But children were calling him Bapu. ये अपना देश है और अपने देश को गंदा नहीं करना चाहिए.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राहे हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे. ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे. हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के. वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम.
Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated with love and enthusiasm all over India. Gandhiji was a great freedom fighter. He always spoke truth. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India. He was great freedom fighter. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi ji. He played an important role in quitting Britain from India. This role earned him the title of the Father of the Nation. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram. Yes, this is the favorite bhajan of Gandhi. Make us feel his divine power. It is also celebrated as International Non-Violence Day.
My dear friends, this novel method of Satyagraha speaks volume about his own character as a person. Satyagraha, according to Mahatma Gandhi, is a desire for truth. It is a non-violent resistance. Gandhi tells, if one strikes your right cheek, show him the left. Do you think the oppressor will again strike the left? No, he will think twice before striking the left. Which means, for others, it was a passive resistance. Whereas for Gandhi, it was an active resistance. He tells it is appealing to the conscience of the other. Another example, if an owner of a land, the landowner oppressing the other, Gandhi tells, if you are a satyagrahi, go to his house and sit before his house without drinking or eating. And in the course of time, the person, the landowner who sees the other sitting there for many days without eating or drinking will think and give the justice to the people. Satyagraha, agraha for truth. So that's a method Gandhi used very specially to attain freedom for our country. We cannot forget thousands of people who gave up their life for our country. Whereas here we appreciate a man who came with a novel method of attaining truth. Very specially, he used this method against the Britishers. They had to think, and it struck their conscience, and it appealed very straight to their conscience. What they were doing was not right. That slowly paved way for the freedom of our country. So my dear friends, this novel method of Satyagraha should also be applied to our own life. When somebody oppresses us, we should not straight away violently appeal to the other. Let's think, let's wait, let's appeal to their conscience, make him aware the truth so that he will think twice before doing the next act. May these ideals put forward by Mahatma Gandhi may appeal to our own life to deal with the situations so that we may become more spiritual in ourselves, that we may become more content with our own life, that we may become people of truth, people who appeal to the truth and deal the situation without any violence. Thank you. God bless you all.